Hello and welcome back for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Gala Games chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video by first giving you the long-term outlook here on the Gala Games chart, where you can see that after seeing our December lows, we saw a 5-wave structure to the upside, where we picked in that wave 5, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1 at around the $0.063 mark. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where we have been seeing this corrective structure in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2. And that breakdown move has also managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that we fully maximized. And there are chances that the low for the second wave could be in, and Gala Games could be ready for a massive pump in the formation of that wave 3. And for it to confirm to us that the low for the second wave is in and the start of an impulse in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3 has now started, we first need to see a complete 5-wave structure to the upper side on the lower time frames, followed by an ABC corrective structure. Once we see such a scenario, continue gearing up and see a break above significant areas, significant highs here on the chart, then that will be enough confirmation that the low for the second wave is now in and the start of an impulse in that wave 3 has now started. But as long as we are not seeing such a scenario here on the charts, there are still high chances that whatever we are seeing is still a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, where we could expect one more new low in the formation of that wave 2 before we can start gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. That is something that you need to have in mind here on the charts. And in my previous videos, I have been focusing on the lower time frames and also zooming out here on the charts, focusing on the micro Elliot wave counts here on the charts, where I've been saying to you that after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.018 mark, we started this nicer recovery to the upside, where we first picked in that first wave, saw a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2. Then we started gearing up in another 1-2 setup, where we have now picked in that first wave and seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has also managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And you can see that here on the lower time frames and also on the micro Elliot wave count, we are holding within the minimum retracement areas for the second wave. And as long as we are holding within this red target area, which we have also fully maximized, there are chances that soon we might see a bullish movement to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And giving you minimum target areas, since there are high chances that the low for the second wave is in, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, I get a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.03547 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And we also need to have in mind that in case we continue seeing further breakdown here on the charts, and maybe at some point we lose our red target area over here, continue breaking down, losing significant areas of support, then there are chances that we are still in the corrective structure that I have shown you in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2, where Gala Games could still give us one more new low in the formation of that wave 2 before we can start gearing up once more impulsively in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I wanted to give you here on the Gala Games price prediction update, and I hope now I have made it clear what I'm expecting here on the charts. I've not said that the low is in and that soon we are going to see that massive breakout to the upper side. There are still chances of seeing further breakdown, This is just a micro Elliot wave count that I have here on the charts, trying to track that movement to the upper side or maybe to the lower side. And that's my price prediction update. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 43 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.